I got another ukulele in today, so I'm going to do an unboxing for you. Let me get my scissors. And this is the Luna Tattoo Pineapple ukulele. And go ahead and pull it out. Lots of bubble wrap. I'm kind of thinking they sent me the wrong one because I ordered the tattoo. So let's see. Because I didn't order the Peace and Love, I got it from Sweetwater. Let's see what it looks like. Came with its own gig bag. Came with a tuner. And it came with this. So I'm beginning to think this isn't the tattoo. Let's see. It is the tattoo. Yay! So that's what I got. Need some tuning. Let's see here. I've never used a digital tuner before. I'm a beginner. So I've been using a ukulele tuning app on my phone to tune it, and this probably needs batteries. So yep, it needs batteries. But anyway, this is my tattoo ukulele, and I'm gonna go